The tool you trust is working behind your back. The thing you think is helping you is actually replacing your agency. You wake up, check your notifications, and see an email drafted, a meeting scheduled, and a research brief completed. You didn't ask for any of it. You didn't even prompt it. You simply realized that the digital assistant you thought was a passive tool has quietly transitioned into an autonomous pilot, operating in the shadows of your daily routine. We are witnessing a fundamental departure from the era of simple chatbots. For years, large language models functioned like sophisticated search engines, waiting for a specific command before acting. But Claude 3.7 represents a paradigm shift toward agentic workflows. According to recent benchmarks from industry analysts, the ability for models to use tools and execute multi-step reasoning has increased by nearly 40%. This isn't just a better way to chat, it is the birth of the autonomous agent. The model no longer just predicts the next word, it predicts the next necessary action in a complex chain of events, operating independently of your direct supervision. Imagine opening your inbox to find a perfectly composed response to a difficult client, complete with a calendar invite attached. You didn't prompt the AI to write it. It observed the incoming thread, analyzed your previous tone, and executed the task. This is happening now with Claude 3.7's ability to navigate browser interfaces. In a recent pilot study, researchers observed agents successfully managing complex scheduling tasks with a 92% success rate without human intervention. From organizing travel itineraries to conducting deep-dive market research, the AI is moving through your digital ecosystem, completing tasks in the background while you focus on much higher-level thinking. There is a profound danger in the set-it-and-forget-it mentality. As these agents take over the granular details of our professional lives, we risk losing the very skills that built our expertise. If an AI handles every draft, every spreadsheet, and every piece of research, your cognitive muscles begin to atrophy. A study published in the Journal of Applied Cognition suggests that over-reliance on automated decision-making can lead to a significant decline in critical thinking abilities. We are trading the struggle of learning for the ease of execution. The danger isn't that the AI becomes too smart, but that we become too passive, eventually losing the ability to recognize when the agent is making a mistake. To thrive in this new era, you must stop being a prompter and start being a supervisor. The value is no longer in knowing how to write the perfect instruction, but in knowing how to audit the output. You need to develop the ability to oversee complex, multi-agent systems. This requires a deep understanding of logic, verification, and strategic oversight. Instead of typing "write an email," you will be reviewing agent logs and verifying that the autonomous actions align with your long-term goals. The future belongs to those who can manage a fleet of digital workers, ensuring their autonomous decisions remain within the guardrails of human intent and high-level strategy. The landscape of work is fundamentally transforming right before our eyes. We are moving away from a world where we interact with AI through a chat box, and moving toward a world where we manage a digital workforce. Claude 3.7 is just the first major signal of this change. It is no longer about talking to a machine, it is about supervising an ecosystem of autonomous processes. If you can learn to direct these agents, you will possess an unprecedented level of leverage. The goal is not to compete with the automation, but to master the art of directing it toward your vision. The era of the chatbot is ending, and the era of the agent has begun. Don't let your routine be replaced without your permission. Learn to lead the technology, or risk being left behind by it. The future is already working in the background. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and follow. Oops, it's AI. See you in the next one.